everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Pinecone Elf using Fimo polymer clay. So let's get started. To make the pinecone, take the brown color and mold it into a ball shape. We are going to roll the ball into a long worm-like shape and then cut a few approximately similar pieces with a needle tool. You can roll each piece into a small ball and mold it into a droplet. When a few droplets is ready, we are going to join them into a flower. Repeat this process a few times, but each time make a smaller flower so it can fit all together in the end, and then you can join the flowers starting with the biggest one and placing the smaller ones on the top. I secure the flowers with my dotting tool. Next, we are going to make an elf's head. Roll some light orange color and place it on the top of a pine cone. For the cap, mold the green color into a triangle shape and attach it to the elf's head. After attaching the cap, I shaped it so it looks like it's folded. To make a thin scarf, roll some green color and attach it around Elle's head. We are going to make eyes and mouth out of the same brown color that we used for making the pine cone. I added 2 small balls of pink clay to make the cheeks. Since I wanted the scarf to have some details, I made a small heart out of a red clay and placed it on the front part of the scarf. Then I used my needle tool to decorate the heart, scarf and a cap. In the end, I decided to make hair too, so I rolled light brown clay, molded and make a texture with my needle tool. You can bake the finished figurine in your oven according to your package's instructions. After the baking, I made glint in the eyes with my acrylic paint and added 3 layers of Fimo gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. This is how my finished Pinecone Elf looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!